Almost 2025, I think by the time you're watching this video, it is 2025. And you're sitting there wondering, how do I even start trading? Or maybe you've seen people posting their profits online, or you heard someone say you need to get started into trading, it is the future. But let's be honest, it can be overwhelming, right? Charts, strategies, brokers, where do you even begin? I get it, because I've been there. Starting with zero knowledge and making every mistake you can think of. But here's the good news, you don't need to figure out everything at once. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down step by step, showing you exactly how to get started into trading in 2025 without feeling lost. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow, no matter where you're starting from. Welcome to the channel. My name is Joyita and I'm the CEO of Tradex Network. On this channel, we simplify trading across Forex, crypto, gold, and stock to help you achieve consistent success. Now, this isn't just about making money, it's about building a system that actually works for you, mastering your mindset, and leveling up your trading game. If you're ready to finally get it right, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. Coming to step number 1, build the right mindset, which is the foundation. Before you look into charts or strategies, you need to understand this. Trading is 90% psychology and 10% skill. When I first started trading, I thought that I needed the perfect strategy. But over time, I learned that the real game is controlling your emotions, overcoming fear and greed, and impatience. Some of the actionable tips that I'd give you is that patience pays over time. It's not about how many trades you make, it's about taking the right trades. The second one is accept losses as lessons. Every trader takes losses. What matters is learning from them and moving forward. The third one is to think long term. Trading isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Small, consistent wins will compound over time. Master your mindset and you've already won half of the battle. Now, step 2, choose one market to master. One of the biggest mistakes I see traders make is trying to trade everything. Like Forex, crypto, gold is overwhelming. Every market is unique and has its own risks and rewards. I'll make a detailed video of this coming soon, but I'm going to give you a quick overview. Now, if you're new, I would suggest start with Forex because it's highly liquidated, it's predictable, and it's beginner friendly. Now, if you like fast-paced action, I would suggest you go for crypto, but be ready for its volatility. Now, if you're someone who has more patience and research-driven, stocks are the perfect option. Now, if you want stability, gold is perfect for uncertain times. Pick one market and master it. For me, Forex was the starting point, and it gave me the foundation to explore other markets. Step 3 is learn before you earn. In short, education is key. Let me be very clear. Trading isn't just about pressing buy and sell buttons. It's about understanding market structure, the fundamentals, the technicals, risk management, and how to analyze charts effectively. Now, if you're a complete beginner and you have zero knowledge on trading, here are some things that I would suggest you start with. First, you need to learn the market basics, like how does crypto, Forex work, what moves the market. Now, coming to risk management, how much to risk per trade to protect your capital. Next, technical analysis. Master tools like trend lines, indicators, and chart patterns. If you're here, you already have access to one of the best resources, which is this channel. And in 2025, I'm doubling down on content, creating in-depth guides, live trade breakdowns, but don't skip ahead just yet. The next few steps are as crucial, especially the step 6. It is going to tie everything together and make this process truly work. Moving on to step 4, practice on a demo account. Before you trade with real money, practice. A demo account lets you test your plan and build confidence. Now, why it matters? You'll learn how the market moves. 2, you can refine your strategy. And 3, you'll avoid costly mistakes when you go live. I recommend brokers like Exness because they're user-friendly for both demo accounts and real accounts. Start with the demo account first, and after you refine your skills, move to a real one whenever you're ready. And Exness makes it very easy. I'll be making a dedicated video on everything about Exness, so keep an eye on that. Step 5 is start small with real money. Look, transitioning from a demo account to a real account is a big step. Start small, use micro lots, and focus on building consistency and not just profit. Now, here are some lessons I learned the hard way from transitioning from a demo account to a real one. The first thing I learned the hard way is don't chase quick wins. It always leads to your accounts getting blown out. Focus on execution and discipline. Number 3 is gradually increase your risk as you gain confidence. Now, to do all this, you need this very important step, which is the step 6, creating a trading plan, or in a fancy way, your blueprint for success. Now let me be very honest. Without a plan, you're just gambling. A solid trading plan is your safety net and a guide to trading success. Now here are some things that your plan should include. What market are you focusing on? Whether it's Forex, crypto, gold, stocks, F&O. Risk per trade. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account. Entry and exit criteria. Clear rules for when to buy and when to sell and when to exit. Here's something most traders don't realize and overlook. You don't need 10 strategies to succeed. You need one powerful strategy that's proven, simple, and repeatable. When I first started trading, I tried everything. Scalping, swing trading, day trading, indicators, and I failed because I had no focus. Now my approach is clear and refined. And it's what I teach in the Tradex Entry Formula. The Tradex Entry Formula is not just a strategy. It's designed to simplify decision making so you can focus on high probability trades. And it also works across all markets, whether you trade Forex, crypto, or gold. It balances risk and reward, helping you grow your account steadily. Now here's how you can access it. Visit our website and join the waitlist for the Tradex Entry Formula. By subscribing, you'll be the first one to know when the program opens, and you'll gain exclusive insights into how to apply the formula to your trades. And the best part about this is that it's beginner friendly, but powerful enough for experienced traders who are looking to find their edge in the market. All links are in the description box below, so check them out after watching this video. Now coming to step 7 and the most important step of this entire video, backtesting, which is going to be your secret weapon to trading success. You see, a lot of people just take their strategies and apply it onto the markets, but they never backtest. Basically, if you're not backtesting your strategies, you're trading blindly. Backtesting is how you test a strategy against historical data to see how it performs over time. Now here's why backtesting is essential. Backtesting builds confidence. You'll trust your strategy even more because you've seen it work. It saves you time and money. It helps you avoid costly mistakes in the live markets. And it also identifies weakness of your strategies. With backtesting, you'll know exactly where to improve and where to refine your strategy. And if you're wondering where to learn all this, then keep watching. If there's one habit I would drill into all traders' routine, is journaling. Write down every trade, why you entered, how you managed it, and what you learned. This habit transformed my trading because it allowed me to identify patterns, refine my strategies, and avoid repeating mistakes. And here's the thing, I've got a video coming up very soon on how to journal effectively, and I'll be sharing a free template with that, so you can build this habit and level up your trading. Last but not least, stay consistent and commit to the long game. The secret to trading success: show up every day, learn and improve. Trading is a journey, not a destination. The best traders don't just get there overnight. They stayed consistent and never stopped learning. Now let's do a quick recap of everything you need to do to succeed in 2025. The first thing is to build the right mindset. Second is to choose your market and commit to it. Third, invest time in learning before earning. Fourth, create a trading plan and practice on a demo account. Fifth, start small with real money and journal every day. Sixth one, like I said, it's very important, back test your strategy. Step 7 is to use the right tools and stay consistent. Now here's your next step. Visit our website and join the waitlist for the Tradex Entry Formula. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below any of your doubts and future video ideas. Let's make 2025 our breakthrough year in trading. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video.